Howdy, welcome to Old Guy Plays Fallout New Vegas. I'm the old guy, and this is episode number 15. We're at Hoover Dam taking on quests for Colonel Moore of the NCR. She has asked us to remove Mr. House as a threat. So, let's fast travel back to the New Vegas Strip. Strip North Gate.
Thank you for visiting New Vegas.
Let's check out the Lucky 38. Have not been here yet.
Well, howdy, partner. Good to see you again. Boss is waiting for you upstairs. Come back.
Our first time inside the Lucky 38. Got a few things to do.
Where to, partner?
Go up to the penthouse.
Penthouse floor.
First, let's talk to Jane.
You should have seen Mr. House when he heard what you did to the Omertas. I'm Jane, one of Mr. House's girls. We keep him entertained. We don't get many...
Whatever. Give me all the poop here. All the info on everybody. Okay, what you're really looking for here is you want to ask her about the snow globe collection. Remember, we've been picking up snow globes all over the wasteland, and this is why.
Not many people know this, but Mr. House is one of the world's biggest collectors of antique snow globes. If you happen to find any out in the wasteland, in fact, one of Mr. House's favorites went missing with...
I've got some snow globes from Mr. House's collection.
You do? Why, that's just
We just made
wonderful.
12,000 bottle
I'll
caps.
take them and put them...
She just mentioned that one is missing.
What floor, partner?
Let's just stay here for right now.
The point of my inviting you to visit me here at the Lucky 30, now because of... You'll recognize it on sight. The hatch. I expect that if Benny doesn't have the chip, Caesar will make sure you get...
He's just talking shit. We'll figure it all out later.
Congratulations, partner. The boss has instructed me to come. You can bring your... And
Okay, we want to go to the cocktail lounge. Right through here. Take a left. Look behind this cash register, and there is the seventh actually, snow globe. We got that. Back through this door to the penthouse. Back to Jane.
I bet those...
trade in that last snow globe for another 2,000 bucks. 2,000 caps, actually. Okay. Now we're going to deal with Mr. House. It's pretty well guarded over here, so let's crouch down. Let's save. Let's consume a stealth boy. Moving slowly. You got to move real slowly here for a few minutes. Very carefully, or else you'll get wasted. There, now you're hidden. Not cautious anymore, just hidden. Now you can scoot along the wall here. Unlock control room elevator. And we're going to go to the control room. Okay, Mr. House is actually up there in that, whatever it is, iron lung, whatever the fuck that is. We're going to need a weapon because we're going to waste his ass right away. Let's use the 9mm. No need to talk to him, really. Nothing to say. Bye. These guys are all peaceful with you now. Not a threat. Down to the casino. Out the front door. Now don't forget, you left your companions out here, outside the front door. If you just, take off and leave them here, you're going to forget where they are and you're going to fucking hate yourself later. So.
What is it?
Let's get going. Okay. There we go. That's what I was looking for. And follow protocol, reinstate. Now I got my guys with me. Let's fast travel. Back to Hoover Dam. Back and see Colonel Moore.
Hello.
She's still here. Sometimes she moves around down here. She's still in the same place.
Report. Is Mr. House still a threat? Then that's one more nuisance we won't have to worry about. Good work. The brass have been throwing around the idea of having the president visit the dam for a while. With our recent achievements, they finally feel secure enough to stage the damn thing. But several years ago, we managed to wrest the Helios 1 solar power station from the Brotherhood of Steel chapter. It was a crushing victory, but no one's heard a peep from the Brotherhood since. Most people assume recently, we've had scouts go missing in an area west of Helios, and I'm concerned that the Brotherhood is involved. I want you to find them, and once you do, finish them for good. Any questions? Don't even... Any...
Okay.
Download complete. Begin me. No. Please handle this.
So we've got to go decimate the Brotherhood of Steel. At least that's what she wants. I'm going to save here before we set out on this new mission. Wait for daylight. Check my supplies. I'm weigh 187 pounds. I probably ought to go dump some weight. Okay, this is where we'll be going in a moment. Hidden Valley. But first, let's go visit Gunrunners.
Welcome, sir.
Jet, he's got 8,000 caps again, so let's see what we can dump. Of course, we want to keep our All-American. Love that fucking gun. Assault rifle, assault carbine. We'll keep those. Rats. Okay. They're pretty good. Now we weigh 115, much better. Okay. To get where we need to go, we'll fast travel to Gene Skydiving, where we have been before. What's up with Boone? Don't know. I'll figure it out. Oop, there's a bad guy somewhere. Not anymore. Boone is indomitable with that 308 hunting rifle. We've been along this road. Already killed these gentlemen some time ago and took all their shit. You can see on our compass there on the lower left, there's some red ticks showing up. We have some bad guys, some bogeys right up here. We're going to go waste them, and we're going to mark out this territory, light it up, so we can come back later. Where's the rest of them? They're dead. Boone already got them, I think. Yeah, it looks that way. All right. Move over here. Okay, we're good. Be careful. There's mines everywhere. I'm going to get over to this road here. No reason to get crouched now. And follow this road east. Okay, Hidden Valley. But we're going to take a side trip first. You know, I love having Boone around, but I need somebody else for this quest.
What is it? All right. Guess I'll be around Novak for a while longer.
Boone goes back to Novak, and we're going to head for 188 Trading Post. You see this person right here? We need her as a companion. Hello, Veronica.
Couldn't get enough of talking to me the first time, huh? Good. I'd hoped you'd come. Well, thanks. Let's have a bunch of shut-ins who scored outsiders and hold technology over them.
Okay. Back to Hidden Valley.
Where have I heard that one before?
And Veronica's coming with us, because she happens to be a member of this tribe. Okay, let's head for the center here. Ooh, wait a minute. Here it is right behind me. This is the little door you're looking for. You see that it's got a tree up on top like a stump. It's kind of sawed off. And it's got like peace, love, peace. Look at the peace symbol, love, peace. Remember that, because that identifies this as a place you want to be for Brotherhood of Steel, for this mission. Here comes Veronica.
I'd like a large atomic McShake and a double Brahmin burger. And easy on the agave sauce this time.
We gave you a password, Veronica. It's for your safety.
I know where you live, Ramos. Open up.
Veronica's kind of fun. I like
Opening
her.
up. Welcome back, Veronica.
Listen up. I'm in charge of security around here, and I can't say I'm too happy. But since you came in with Veronica, I'm in... Oh, and the Elder's going to want to talk to you.
Okay, we got to go talk to the Elder. Down this these stairs. This is kind of a main corridor. Turn to the left. And you'll see that this big symbol there, and it's passageways on each side. Just go around here, either way. And you get through here, take a right, going for that door. Take a right again. Through this door, and we're there. Go talk to the overseer.
When Paladin Ramos informed me that Veronica was approaching with an outsider in tow, at first I didn't know what to think. After giving the matter some thought, however, I've decided... However, I will not force you to help us. Should you refuse, you will be allowed to leave here. What do you say?
I'll help you out.
Allow me to explain our situation. This bunker, in exceptional cases, 3 such teams, in order to... Should our worst fears become realized, I've given...
Find the missing Brotherhood patrols. 3 of them. That is our first mission.
So, you're the outsider that's been given...
This guy wants to create some kind of problem. I don't even want to talk to him. No, I won't listen to you. I'm on a mission, buddy. I'm busy. Fuck off. Through here and back around this area. There's 2 openings on each side. Through the first door you find here, up the stairs. More stairs. Be careful of this door. Save before you pass through this door. This is one of the points in the game I have found that will crash your game. You gotta restart your Xbox or whatever you're using. Okay, quest is still in the dark. 3 different things we got to do. First, let's go out here. Nellis Air Force Base. What we got to do actually is find 3 dead scouts for the Brotherhood. We don't go in there. Turn around this other way. Back up this hill. To the right. Go down this little lane between these 2 rows of burned out places. Watch that pointer on your left on the compass. It is pointing toward your goal. It's right here somewhere. There it is. You might as well take the armor. You got to take the holotape and take the weapons. All right? Let's go to the next one. There's no reason to hang around. Next one is at RepCon headquarters. So, the nearest place to fast travel to is a caravan wreckage Okay, get ready here. There might be trouble. Let's get the 12.7 working. And look back this direction. See if anybody comes. Whoa, there they are right there. Caesar's Legion, right there. Fuck. I got killed. Got to be more careful. Try it again. .7. Well, let's repair it. A good stand would work. Let's crouch down. Let's get over next to this rock. Some small amount of cover. There they are. Kind of far away for this weapon, but I'm trying to fuck them up. Keeping an eye on my health. One more. Let's get that fucker. Actually, EDE nailed him. Good job, buddy. Okay, let's go scavenge. These guys always got some good stuff. Super Sledge is heavy, but it's worth some caps. Four of them. All right. Onward. Headed toward Repcon headquarters, straight ahead.
How may I serve you, master?
Save, of course. These guys all collapse as you come in. I'm not sure what that's all about, but not important. See if they got any good stuff. Okay, save, because we've got to solve this terminal here. I know it's tedious, but you gotta do it. Try to pair up the brackets and the parentheses and stuff like that right there. Click on them when they pair up, and that will remove a word from the puzzle, thereby increasing your chances of selecting the correct word at the end. Simple, huh? Okay. I guessed, and I was right. First one, I always go back and start at the top anyway. It's just a habit. Disengage lock. Let's go. Down into this door.
Unauthorized facial pattern.
Just, I'm not supposed to go upstairs. Let me pass, and I won't. It's a lot
Please
of
do not
gobbledygook, but got away with it. Go through here. Take your left. It's a good idea to move quickly through here. Through this whole
Unauthorized facial
thing. Sorry, I was just leaving.
How may I serve you, master?
Just go fast. Don't talk to anybody. Okay,
Therefore, access is for executive.
All right, have to hurry. The guy we're looking for is right over here. Get the fuck out of here! Oh man, we're overweight. That might screw us up. Apparel. Let's go. Ah. Fuck, wouldn't you know? We crashed going through that door. Okay, hang on. Okay, we're back.
Unauthorized facial pattern. Invalid.
We gotta get the hell out of here before these guys start shooting at us. Just keep running. Through this door.
Hello.
And here is the front door. Now we're safe for a moment. Let's check our weight disposition here. We have 223. Let's see if we can do some repairs. This will take our weight down a lot, just combining all this crap. That's good enough for now. Okay, next stop. Scorpion Gulch. Got a little sandstorm going on. We can follow our compass there on the lower left. In general, it doesn't point exactly where you need to go, but it'll give you an idea. Whoa, look out for these guys. Veronica will take care of them. And this will all lighten up here in a second as we crest this hill over here, I believe. There it is. I don't know why the game does that. But right at that spot, it lightens up, makes it a lot easier to see. I think it's a bug. Whoops, we got centaurs. Take a look up here. There's a few more bad guys. There we go, over there. Good. I think that might be it. No. Right below it, one named Mo. Is somebody over there? Yes. That'll do it. Down here. We're overweight. We can probably combine armor to get... There we go. Let's get out of here. We want to get back to Hidden Valley, but we can't fast travel until we're out of all this radiation. So let's keep hoofing it this way. Now we're almost there. We might as well just run. We came through this way a few minutes ago. Follow your compass there on the lower left. It'll guide you to where you need to be. And here it is. Peace, love, peace, and the stump up on top. Got to save a lot, especially around here. If it blows up and you lose a bunch of gameplay, you're just gonna hate yourself and the game. Okay. So far, so good. Take a right down the stairs. Take a left around this thing. Actually, we want to take a side trip. Wait, let's go this way.
Hello, outsider.
There's a merchant, a trader, right through here, into here, and he could take a lot of that armor, which weighs us down so much, or she can.
Our patrols are always bringing more
He's
stuff.
only got 4,000 caps or so. Let's look at apparel. There's a bunch of weight gone right there. And that's enough.
Another satisfied customer.
You're being watched, so don't get in here.
Back the way we came. Around here, I know it's a little confusing right now, but it all becomes plain after you played it a few hundred times. You remember this place. And back here. report what we've done.
Found the missing patrols, or they were all dead then? But we must turn our minds to other matters. When the patrols failed to return, we assumed the worst. I want you to contact those scouts and gather their reports. Like, when you find them.
Okay, now I gotta go look for some living patrols and get their reports.
Hello?
The game makes you take a lot of tedious time, you know, getting in and out of different places, different areas. Like this, kind of winding our way in and out. Back here again. Up here. Remember, this door's a bitch. Save before you try it. Now, let's do this one first. Let's go down to Nipton. We were there a long time ago. It was between the Mojave Outlook and Novak. This one you gotta run. You gotta hurry. If you get there too late, things will be all fucked up. So, railroad tracks over here. You can run along them if you like. A little to the right. We're going up over those low hills right up ahead of us. Okay, we're getting close. That rock, you can see that guy up there on top of that rock. We go talk to him. We gotta get there quickly. Don't stop and start gathering up anything.
Don't take another step if you value. Strange that my observations of that I've.
Okay, we want to get out of here quickly if we can, because there's some enemies lurking around very close nearby, and they'll come and just cause you all kinds of problems. Okay, next, let's do this guy. Let's go back to the Powder Ganger Camp North. This time we're going to head, and we're not going to go down this road as we did before. We're heading toward the corner of this fence, straight dead ahead, where we're pointed right now. And there you can see that guy right there. I'm going to talk to him. Get his report.
What do you want? You speak truly. Very well. What?
We have to get away from the prison there a ways before we can fast travel again. Just run a few feet out here. Let's save. Now, there's one more. We have to go to Camp Forlorn Hope, which will be a big deal later. First, we have to take care of a few things along the way. So, let's go out to this little place right outside of Novak. A toxic waste dump right here. There's a road over here we're going to follow. And there's a few side quests we have to do before we can finish the one we're on. Let's arm ourselves with our trusty 9mm submachine gun, which could stand a little bit of repair. Very nice. We're going to talk to this gentleman up here, NCR.
Hold up there. This area.
This is what you're looking for. Are you interested in cracking jokes or getting something done? You got to select this. That way he'll respond to you.
Looks like you've got some dirt in you after. If you had a few dozen doses of something, but since that's not likely.
Anyway, he's going to lead you on a mission here to take care of some problems in this little town up here. Just follow him through here. Draw your weapon. Start running down the other side. And watch for enemies. Legionnaires. You can go scavenge stuff from him if you like, but not much there, so I tend to run through here, watching out for red ticks on the lower left on the compass to see if there are any enemies. Oops, we're going to level up. Let's see, what do we need? I want 95 guns. I want 95 science. Okay, continuing on our way. There's a bad guy up in that little tower right up there, I believe. We'll waste him. There he is. Crazy.
Retribution.
Ooh, right behind us. Next, this building right here, there's a guy in here with a good gun that we're going to want. Oh, there's another bad guy. Make sure you're topped up on your weapon here. This guy's name is Dead Sea. Oh, they're getting away. There's 3 people in here, 3 bad guys. Go find Dead Sea. There he is. Yeah, machine gun. And he has something called the Liberator. Out the door. God damn, everywhere. Speaking of liberating, now we've got to liberate these NCR soldiers who are just like crucified up here. Untie them.
Our rangers are gonna show everyone what happens when we're pissed off.
And now we got to head back to the rock and meet up with the ranger who brought us here. And there he is.
Morning.
Milo.
Me and Carmine. Howdy. What's the word?
Okay, cool. Let's go over to this little road here. Watch out, there is a mine right there. Alright. Keeping the same weapon handy here. Follow this road around. There might be a bad guy up in the tower right there. Looks like it. No, he's right there. Not very bad. These guys are legionnaires. These guys are like recruits. Easy to mow down. There's another one. An explorer. Like a Boy Scout. Let's save. Did I mention there's mines along here? Just keep running. We're coming up on an NCR installation that will become very, very important later on in the game. We got to mark it out. Light it up. There it is. Camp Forlorn Hope. But for now, we're going to turn around and go the other direction, because we're looking for these lookouts. We want to gather their reports and go back to Colonel Moore. Right on top of that little pointy rock there.
Approach slowly, stranger. Then I am sworn to report. One.
Okay. Let's save, because we have nearly completed this part of the quest. Back to Hidden Valley. Can't help myself. Gotta save. Just cannot help myself. That door will get you sometimes, particularly when you're going in the other direction. And here we are. Let's report what we've done.
Have you had any luck finding the scouts? Good. Let's take a look. I'll have to review these. You've become someone I can count on, so I believe I can share something rather confidential. I would like you to find the components we need to fix this bunker's air filtration system. I cannot overstate the importance of this task. See Senior Knight Lorenzo for the details. He's the one who brought the matter to my attention. And
Okay. The next part of this quest, come through here and we're going to go see Senior Knight Lorenzo. Right through that door. But for now, it's going to do it for this episode, and we'll pick it up at this point next time, which will be pretty quick. Thank you so much for joining me with Old Guy Plays Fallout New Vegas, and I'll see you soon.